Dun, 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 dun.
Hi.
Dun, 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 dun,
Hi, how are
dun,
you?
dun, dun,
How are you doing, guys?
dun, dun.
Look at all this food. Oh man. No wonder people are disappointed when they move out of California with the produce in other places. I mean, look, you just walk down the street. You just walk down the street and you have all these. It's like in the movies when, you know, they go and pick their fruits and vegetables for their recipes later that night. Yeah, it's so fresh. Look at all these Asian people on the wall. There's a school?
My school's on.
Oh my. How do these people park with cars? It looks impossible.
How is it not?
How are they not rolling? World do you get uphill? How do you park? How's that guy parking?
How are these cars not falling over?
It doesn't make sense. It's defying gravity. Oh my gosh. This is so scary. Oh jeez. How do these houses, how do you not walk crooked all the time?
I know.
All these questions I have for these people. How are your legs not ginormous from walking all these hills?
To Beach Street, and then your destination is on your left.
We made it! Morning! We are, where are we? Oh, Pier 39. Today's San Francisco Day. And tomorrow, so a little chillier up here. It already looks very different than South California. Alright, Southern SoCal. We're in NoCal. I don't know if that's what you call it, but anyway.
Are extremely colder.
Oh shoot, someone's car got broken into.
Oh yeah, you're right.
That's terrible. That's sad. So we're almost there. We're walking to Pier 30.
People are in shorts. This is crazy.
This is nothing to them. It's cold to us.
They probably know it's going to get warmer soon.
It is. The sun's already coming out. Can you hear that? I already hear them before we even see them. Wow! There's so many! Look at this. even do it. Is that his wiener? Is he rubbing his wiener? He sure did. Ugh.
Is he going into the water?
He is doing something. Uh-oh, he got mad at that one. He's like, don't touch me. Maybe it's the girl and she's like, I don't want you to touch me right now.
I'm almost there.
I said no. Look, she's on, or he scratching with his fin. Looks funny. Look, now that one's fighting with him. Oh, he pushed him back in the water. Nope, you're not getting it. Oh, he made it on. Look, move out of my way. He's waking everybody up. Oh my gosh, look at that. Everybody has to move because of him. It's like they're at the movie theater or something. He's like, I gotta go to the bathroom. Look at that. Oh my gosh, he's crawling over everybody. And he's a big fat one. Look at that. Oh, he woke up all the seals just to get up. Man, these are good. What about animal country?
Stuff your bear.
That sounds wrong. Josh, you want to stuff my bear?
Wanted to, but...
Just kissing. That dolphin looks ugly though. Look at its teeth.
That's how they really look.
Oh. Oh, mine's broken. I was just laughing. How are you? How are you doing, guys? Why are you being so mean to everybody? Yeah. Barney says to be nice to everyone.
I just want to be loved.
Oh, we love you, shark. We love you, shark tooth, but stop biting people.
That's just how I kiss. Give her a kiss! Kiss your face!
I think they're gonna make us bite these.
I think I have a problem.
Fish are friends, not food.
Yes, you're right. Yeah. No. Fight it.
That's so funny. Look at this thing. Stop it! God. I will never buy you that because that's what you'll do all day.
No, what are you talking about? I'm gonna do that all day.
Oh my gosh. I think Josh is having way too much fun with that toy.
Oh, I wonder if was she looking at us?
Yes, of course. Everybody looks at us. We're weird. That's what happens. First of all, we're holding a camera towards us. And second of all, you're playing with the sharks and having more fun than any kid she's ever seen.
Crikey. We have a beauty. This is the Pier 39 seagull.
Look, it's looking at you.
Now,
it's turning its head.
Its main food source is the anchovy and other salty things. Now I'm going to try to catch it and wrestle it to the ground with my bare hands.
You changed accents.
Did I know, mate? See,
go get it!
I am. You must flap your wings.
Okay.
To let it know that it is part of its flying herd.
It's looking at you. Look at it. Man, you're close.
Oh,
It looks mean.
It does look kind of
Go
mean.
get it, Josh. Go. You brave,
I'm gonna pet
you
it.
brave person.
You know, you show with the camera, because if I had to hurry up and run. Alright, now, I gotta make sure I have a good...
Josh, just freaking touch the bird.
Oh my gosh.
Josh is scared, that's why he's stalling.
You know, those things has talent.
Josh, it's webbed feet. It has little
It's
webbed.
talent.
Look at it, it's looking at you. It's looking at you. Ooh, he ain't afraid of you. He's the thug of his community.
I know.
He's not afraid. Oh, he opened his mouth.
That means stay away, black man.
Man, he is not scared. You're so close.
I know.
Look, he's following your hand. Too bad you don't. He's waiting for food. That's probably why.
Alright,
We're closing in on him. Poor thing. He's getting scared.
I'm going to run.
Look how close I am. I'm not even zoomed in. I'm just standing right here. Josh.
What? You touch it then.
Oh, it is scary. He's gonna bite my camera. Hi, birds. Oh, poor bird. Oh, jeez. He's getting ready to fly away.
Have to take off.
He's like, no, he's not even flying. He's just like, leave me alone. You jerks. Look at that. That is too funny.
Oh, is it
Oh, he
pooping?
pooped. Ugh, we're done here. That looks trippy.
I know. They're like swinging around in circles, but going backwards.
Not. I know. What in the world? Why are they swimming backwards?
Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. 43 SB Wallace Sydney Wallaby
Wallaby
Lane.
Way, Sydney. Look at that.
Bubbles, 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 bubbles.
And there's Nemo.
Where are you, Dad?
Dad, look at
That's not a funny clownfish.
Oh, you're a clownfish. Tell us a joke. Hi, Dory. Man, there's a big Josh out there. He's so cute. I wish I was a human so I could be with him one day. Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat? Oh. All of your world. Oh, so sad. Antennas up. That looks
Oh wait,
funny.
this one's sleeping, so if I touch it, what are you doing?
They look like little go-karts on a track or something.
It kind of does, huh?
Right, like when they're on the line.
Oh, Jimmy's sniffing.
Oh, look, it's so cute. Oh, I didn't even see these are right here. Oh, it is hard. Ooh, and the water's cold.
Here.
Oh man, this is gonna be so cool.
Do it, I'm gonna do it.
What? One finger?
One finger.
I'm scared.
Did you read the chart?
I'm not as long as you are. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, so just make sure you touch it between the two pins on their back.
Right here?
No, back, behind.
Oh my
Read
gosh,
the
the
chart.
water is cold. Okay.
Yes, it is.
There we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh!
You touching it? She got some shark.
It's not even moving. It doesn't even care. It feels so scaly.
Really?
Oh, it's cold. It's cold. That was so cool. It didn't even move.
It doesn't even care.
They don't even care.
It's given up.
As if we don't stick out enough with the camera and our touristy look. Now we're rocking. I have Pikachu, and Josh is
I'm a tiger.
a tigger.
Tigger.
So we decided to stick out even more. Why not?
I think I'm gonna have this hat on for the entire rest of this trip in California. All right, it's time for it's time for some tandem bike action.
Yep, we are about to bike up all the way to the Golden Gate Bridge.
Oh yes.
Which is gonna be so fun.
So I have
Quotes. Fun.
a lot of fun. I have my tiger helmet.
Helmet. You have
Strapped in, ready
your
to go.
Tigger helmet.
Oh
I
yeah.
have my Pikachu on my side.
Oh yeah. There's nothing that we can't do.
All right, well let's do this. I wish someone could record us getting on this thing because it is scary.